Did you know that just by taking a week's supply of a antibiotic, it can kill the good bacteria in your gut? And in some cases, that good bacteria is never restored. And that is just one way that your gut health is compromised. A good way to restore that gut health is by adding good bacteria back into your gut. Some ways to do that is with a prebiotic, probiotic, and a postbiotic. A lot of people don't realize that a prebiotic can only work when it's paired with a probiotic because the two bacteria combined complement each other. So that way you're not eliminating bacteria and not replenishing with the other. Also, a postbiotic is very good for your gut health because it is going to help with overall microbiome health. In addition, some other ways that you can help with that good bacteria is also by eating a wide variety of foods. A lot of us, we eat the same exact foods day in and day out. And so it's important that you're kind of picking and choosing different whole foods and mixing it up. Not always eating the same exact thing every single day. Then it's also important to get good fiber. And so a good fiber would be like a prebiotic. I personally use this one. This has been clinically proven to increase the good bacteria in your gut by 900% in just 24 hours. Here's a testimony right here of someone else that was able to experience quick results. It's all backed by an empty bottle money back guarantee. It's just little microbeads. And what this is a 3-in-1 prebiotic, probiotic, and a postbiotic all in one. So I get all of my good healthy bacteria in this little bottle right here, which is a month supply, and I have a $10 off coupon, which you can grab below.